Dr. J on my Facebook page said you could give Dr. J a plug. Come on, what the heck, why not? So, yeah, sure, why not? Let's give Dr. J a plug. He says he just did an event for the Make-A-Wish Foundation and currently hosting a series on YouTube called Collector's World. Okay, I just sent a bunch of people to Collector's World on YouTube. Now I didn't check it out yet. I probably should have checked it out before I sent you there. I just hope it's okay. Search Dr. J for PM on YouTube. I seriously have no shame. Yeah, you're right, you don't.